How to draw WhatsApp logo in MS Paint application. Open MS Paint application, then select color 1, then select any color, then select oval tool, press shift button and draw a circle. Again press shift button and draw a circle like this. Now select curve tool and draw a curve like this. At first click here and then here. Adjust the curve. Now again select curve tool and draw another curve like this. Now select selection tool and select this position and delete. Again select this position and delete. Now again select curve tool and draw a curve like this and click here again. Now select line tool and draw a line like this. Erase the extra area. Fill the drawing. Again select selection tool and select this position and delete. Select this object and copy this and paste. Now right click and rotate, flip vertical. Now when drag on this image is covered. For this solution or solve this problem, select transform selection. Now right click and flip, rotate left 90 degree. Now join the object. Select and select this position and delete. Again select curve tool and draw a curve and like this. Select fill tool and fill the area. Again select curve tool and now select, click and drag, draw a, select oval tool and click on shift button and draw a circle like this and set the circle. Shift key and draw a circle and set the area equal of first circle. Now select line tool, draw a line like this. Again select and draw a line. Select line tool and select white color and draw a line on black curve and this black curve. Fill with black color. Select fill tool and fill. Now select white color and fill this. Select green color and fill. Now draw a rectangle. select this area and this, put this. Selection tool, select like this and delete. Select from here and delete. Now select this tool and draw a circle. Now select this area and right click and copy, then right click, paste. Now rotate, flip horizontally and put this here. Now fill this area, select this area and delete. Now select again and copy and paste. Right click and flip vertically, rotate and put here. Now select this area and you can select this area and put on it. Now fill with white color. Select white color and select fill tool, then fill this and this. Now ready the WhatsApp logo.